Why might there be surplus funds after a mortgage is paid off through a foreclosure auction? After a foreclosure auction, surplus funds above the value of the mortgage can arise due to a variety of reasons. Before a foreclosure concludes, lenders often incur legal, maintenance, and administrative costs. If the auction property's selling price exceeds the total debt, including outstanding balance, interest, and fees, surplus funds can result. Intense bidding in foreclosure auctions might lead to a final bid amount greater than the total owed to the lender. Anytime the auction price surpasses the original mortgage balance, excess funds can emerge, such as when the house has gone up in value considerably. Some laws may require surplus funds to be returned to the borrower or their heirs, ensuring the borrower's interests are safeguarded. If secondary liens or encumbrances on the property are lesser than anticipated, surplus funds might remain. If you need help obtaining surplus funds after the loss of your home in a mortgage foreclosure, we can help. Contact Kansas Asset and Debt Attorney Rob Titus if you have recently lost your home. Book a consultation to discuss your mortgage or foreclosure at www.tituslawkc.com.